This is the Blma 130-ton press brake with a working length 3.2 meters. Strong, accurate, easy to use, made for professional bending. Actually, this is a newer version of a 53T series, which is called 53TX. So this screen is larger than the previous one, and it has a higher resolution. For other functions, it remains the same. It has basic tooling setup functions, traditional input with data inputting, automatic mode, manual mode. Also, it has a lot of languages in the settings, so you can use it across any country.